It has finally came in, my CNPS8900, quiet by Zalem. The CPU fan finally came in for my AM2 processor. The old CPU was climaxing heat range from 50 to 55 Celsius, which is very bad to be hitting those high temperatures on the motherboard. So let's see what this processor, let's see what the CPU cooler do, and I'm glad it came in. Okay, it's a 110 millimeter fan, nice size, big, comfy. I love it. Love the size of it. It got two heat pipes, but the way they got them wrapped around, so to draw off a lot of significant heat. So I'm very excited for that. And it's going on this old ASRock motherboard AM2 64 by 2 5800 plus processor. So let's see what it's going to do, and I'm happy to have it. Wow, it took a while. It's on there. What I don't like, it is pushing against one of my memory slots. So what I'm gonna do is order a 8 gig single RAM just to put in there. The board supports 8 gigabytes. So I got two fours in this. So I'm just gonna cut it down to one just to take that pressure off the memory slot. But other than that, it's on there. It looks nice. It looks clean. It should do the job. It looks nice. Now I'm going to go ahead on and put it back in the case and connect the motherboard up. Awesome. Okay, I had it on for a while now. It's at 4534, which is supposed to be like that. But all depends on the CPU. It's holding pretty well. Usually it'd be pushing about 55, 56 by now. My motherboard temperature be up there about 49, 50. So far it's holding pretty good. This is what I like. So I can't complain about it. My CPU fan RPM speed is at 1371. So I could go ahead and crank it up, which I already got it to the full level of 9. So if it goes higher, it'll kick in heavy. So other than that, all is well. It is done. I'm happy with it. This baby is looking so nice. Sitting in there looking nice and clean. I have not tied down the 500-watt power supply because I'm going to be switching that out with my 600-watt that's going to be coming in by Saturday. When I get that in, then I can go ahead and do cable management tie downs on the power supply. So far everything going to be running good, nice and clean. When I get it, there's no worries. I love it. I love the cooling block. It's a 100 millimeter fan. It cools quietly and keeps the temperature regulated at 45 degrees Celsius. Motherboard at 36 degrees Celsius. So this baby on and popping. Okay, everything is running good. I'm at 50. It climbs up and down because I got this big massive GPU in there. This G4 GTX 560. So it's going to touch temperature range of no higher than 50, but it's better than what it was before. I was touching 56, clocking heavy. But other than that, it's holding on pretty good. My system board is at 30. Can't complain. It's holding great.